Using a moving company, but packing yourself. Today I will show you how to pack some plates safely. Make sure before you start packing, you have a clean surface to work on. These are the materials you're going to need. Tape, also packing paper, and lastly, a box. Once everything is ready, we're gonna make some padding for the box. We're gonna start off with placing one of the plates either left or right side of the paper, whichever you prefer. Putting one sheet over it, another plate, another sheet, another plate. Safest way to do it is 3 plates at a time. Then 2 pieces of paper to cover them up and squeeze firmly. Remember, it's not enough to just throw the plates into the box. Make sure you place them neatly. When packing the box of plates, make sure you only fill out 70 to 80% of the box, as the rest needs to be filled with paper. When you finish packing up your plates, and if you have more space available, you can either use paper or soft items that you have available to squeeze out the gaps. When you finish packing your box, make sure it doesn't overflow, so when you close it, it's nice and flat. Once the box is packed, remember to label the location, the contents, and mention that it's fragile. This will help the moving guys place the box in the correct position in the van to make sure your items arrive safely. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember, if you can be asked, we're here to help.